Hello, today I am going to show you how to use two accounts at the same time on Roblox. This guide will tell you how to play Roblox on two accounts at the same time. First, you need to launch the game on the app and then open your browser. Go to roblox.com and sign in and launch the game. Download to get started. For example, I will be playing Jailbreak, so I just run the game in the other side. Now open your Microsoft Store on your PC, then search Roblox and click on it. After that, click on the Get button to start downloading. Here it is. If you have an existing account, just log in. If you don't have, kindly sign up. So since I have my Roblox account, all I need to do is to log in my account. Always make sure that you log in or you sign in using a different account. You can't use same accounts at the same time. So always make sure that you are signing into different accounts with this Roblox games. So this is how you use two accounts at the same time on Roblox. And that is how you do it. You need a fairly powerful computer for this to run smoothly. So you can use your laptop or your computer, but either way, you can have some fun and you can play with your friends. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and tutorials.